Hi little mathematicians, how are you all? I hope you all are very well. So in this video, we are going to talk about factors. I will let you know how to find out all the factors of any number without making any mistake very easily. So we all know, suppose we have to find out factors of 6. So we have to find the pair of a number whose product should be equal to 6. So here like 2 and 3, right? Two numbers, it is a pair of number. When we take their product, it is equal to 6. So 2 and 3 both are factors of 6. We can have more pairs like that, as if 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 are also factors of 6. So here we have found all the factors of 6, that is 1, 2, 3 and 6. But 6 is a small number. But similarly we have to find out factors of any large number. Then the process will become difficult and sometimes we can miss any factor. But that thing we cannot bear. So that's why I am telling you a trick. How can you find out all the factors of any number without making any mistake? Right, so let us take an example. Suppose we have to find out factors of 28. So 28 can be written like 1 into 28. Right? Why we have taken 1? Because 1 is factor of each and every number. We know this thing. So 1 into 28 is equal to 28. Now let us take it with 2. So we all know 28 is divisible by 2. Why? Because of the divisibility rule of 2. Here we have 8. That is an even number at the end of 28. So that's why it is divisible by 2. So 2 multiplied with something should be equal to 28. How will we find this something? We will be dividing here in rough 28 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, remainder 0, 8, 2 fours are 8, and here we have got 14. So 2 into 14 is equal to 28. Now let us check it with 3. Do we have 28 in the table of 3? No, we don't have. Even we can check this thing with the divisibility rule of 3 also. Now let us check with 4. Okay, we know 28 is there in the table of 4. So 4 sevens are 28. Now let us check it with 5. So we know the divisibility of rule of 5, according to which if the number is having 0 or 5 at the end of the number, then only that number is divisible by 5. But here we only have 8. No 0, no 5. So 28 is not again divisible by 5. So we will leave 5. Now let us go to 6. Let us read the table of 6. 28 is not there in the table of 6. So now let us move to 7. Yes, we all know 7 fours is 28. So since how long we will keep on checking like this with the tables? We all know the factors of 28 are all, can be all the numbers which are less than 28. So will we be checking till all the tables of 28? It is going to be very difficult, right? So again we have an idea, like let us check here. The pair has started repeating, right? You can see 4 is repeated here and 7 is repeated here. So here we will stop. And we have got all our factors of 28. How will we write them? We will start from here, take a U-turn like this and move upward. So let us write it. Factors of 28. The first one is 1. Then we have 2. Then we have 4. Then we have 7. And then again we have taken a U-turn and reached to 4. But 4 is already written, so we will not write that. Then we have 7. 7 is already there, so we will not write that. Now we have these two, 14. And the last one is 28. So this is how we have find out all the factors of 28. Right? And it is very easy. Thank you.